We have discussed measures of fertility and reproduction rates. Now we are going to start with mortality. So, fourth question, mortality, that is based on measures of mortality. It is 2 marks question from exercise part. The population of a town was 16,000. There were 800 deaths in the year. Calculate crude death rate. So CDR formula, number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year into 1000. So 800 deaths occurred. So 800 divided by average population is 16,000 into 1000. So if we simplify, we get 50 deaths per 1000 individuals. In case of crude birth rate, we are considering live births in the numerator. Here deaths are considered. If you observe this problem, CDR calculation is simple to understand. Then here if we know deaths and population, average population, easily we can compute CDR. That means it need very less information. Then but drawback is that here it is ignoring age and sex composition, and it is not effectively used for comparison purpose. Next question, fifth one. In a particular city, 3000 live births occurred in a particular year. The number of neonatal deaths was 90. Calculate neonatal mortality rate. So NMR is asked to obtain. So it is also 2 marks question. So 1 mark is for formula. NMR is equal to total number of deaths of neonatal babies in a year divided by total number of live births in the same year into 1000. Here neonatal babies means age less than 28 days. So 90 divided by live births. Observe the denominator, here live births are considered, upon 3000 into 1000. So we have got 30. So in case of IMR, infant mortality rate, here live births will be given and here infant deaths, number of infant deaths will be given. So just variation is there in this formula and we'll substitute and we'll calculate. Then sixth one, in a locality out of 10,000 live births, 90 mothers died due to childbirth complications. Calculate maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate means MMR. So MMR is equal to total number of deaths of mothers due to childbirth complications in a year divided by total number of live births in a year into 1000. 90 mothers died due to childbirth complications, it is given, divided by live births 10,000 into 1000. So 9 deaths of mothers due to childbirth. So this MMR indicates health condition of females. From the following data, show that town B is healthier. To say that a particular town, locality or city is healthier, in that case we should obtain STDR, standardized death rate. Given problem, age in years, below 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 50, like that up to 70 and above. Deaths per 1000, town A, town B. Standard population is given. Now, deaths per 1000. What do you mean by deaths per 1000? That means age specific death rates. So, deaths per 1000 means that is ASDR. So, what we'll do? It is treated as A and it is B. A means ASDR of town A, B means ASDR of town B, and standard population is considered as capital P. So, solution age, again we have to write the age group, then ASDR A and B, standard population P. So first we obtain PA. PA means what? Here column heading itself explain what we have to calculate. P into A. That means 15,000 into 18, 18,000 into 6, 22,000 into 8, 12,000 into 10, 8,000 into 80. So PA column is calculated. Then PB, P into B. B means this one, P means standard population. 12 into 15,000, 4 into 18,000, 8 into 22,000, 9 into 12,000, 90 into 8,000. So total is obtained. So summation P, summation PA, summation PB. Now for town A, what is STDR? STDR of A is equal to summation PA upon summation P. So summation PA totally substituted, P totally substituted, and we have got 17.52. Then for town B, STDR of B, summation PB upon summation P, column totals are substituted, we have got 16.75. Here into 1000 is not there, just observe that. Then among these two values, which is less? That is 16.75 is lesser than 17.52. So STDR of B is less than STDR of A. So where STDR is less, it is for town B. So we conclude that town B is healthier. Just observe the solution. Okay, next one. Here also it is of same kind. Compute standardized death rates for town A and town B. State which town is healthier. So to say that which one is healthier, we have to compute STDR. So what is given? Age in years, death rates. Observe the column heading, it is very important. Town A, town B, standard population. So for STDR calculation, we need standard population. Careful about this also. Death rates means age wise death rates are given, then it is called age specific death rates. Now town A is represented by A, town B is represented by B, standard population is P. Then two more columns we have to insert, one is PA and PB. Now consider the solution. Age, we have written the same thing which is given in the problem. Here instead of death rates, we have used the word ASDR. A, B, standard population P. P into A, P into P. That is 18 into 15,000, 10 into 35,000, 15 into 30,000, 20 into 20,000. Then P into B, 20 into 15,000, 12 into 35,000, 18 into 30,000, 24 into 20,000. So PA total is obtained, PB total is obtained, P total is obtained. Then town A, STDR value, summation PA upon summation P. Then we have substituted the column totals, we have got 14.7. STDR of B, summation PB upon summation P, summation PB last column total divided by standard population total is equal to 17.4. Here we should not consider deaths. or the population total of a particular town. Standard population should be considered. Then which one is lesser? 14.7. That means STDR of A is less than STDR of B. Here standardized death rate is lesser for town A. So we conclude that town A is healthier. Just observe the solution once again. Observe the steps. Twenty-third question. Compute CDR and STDR for the following data: age in years, population, deaths, standard population is given. Just observe this problem. Here only we are calculating CDR and STDR for one population. Here death rates are not given. Previous 21 and 22. In both problems we are given with ASTR values directly. But here not death rates are not given. Deaths are given. So we should obtain death rates. That is ASTR should be obtained. Then standard population is used to obtain STDR. Then as usual CDR means what? Only this part is used. We are not going to consider standard population. Just we are considering these three columns for CDR. See. Age in years, population of a town, then deaths, standard population. Now why we are calculating ASTR? It is needed for STDR calculation. How we are calculating? 600 divided by 20,000 into 1000, that is 30. 240 upon 10,000 into 1000. 1250 upon 50,000 into 1000. 1050 upon 30,000 into 1000. 500 upon 10,000 into 1000. So we have divided population of a particular city or town here. We have not considered standard population to obtain ASTR. Now P into A. P into A means standard population should be denoted by P. 19,000 into 30. 17,000 into 24. 28,000 into 25. 20,000 into 35, 11,000 into 50. So PA total is obtained, standard population total is obtained. So it is represented by summation P and it is summation PA. Now deaths total is obtained, population total is obtained. Why we are using these two totals? For calculating CDR. Now CDR is equal to number of deaths occurring in a year divided by average population in the year into 1000. So 3640 upon 1,20,000 into 1000. Observe the denominator. I am repeating this. Here population total is considered, not standard population total for CDR. So we have got 30.33 deaths per 1000 individuals. Then ASTR formula I have written here. ASTR, number of deaths in a specific age group in a year upon average population in that age group into 1000. Already we have calculated this. Then STDR, summation PA upon summation P. Summation PA means last column total divided by standard population. Standard population, summation P, that is 95,000. So we have got STDR value. Here I have written sub-step to obtain ASTR. So ASTR for below 10 years, 600 upon 20,000 into 1000, 30. 10 to 19 is 240 upon 10,000 into 1024. Then ASTR for 20 to 39 is 1250 upon 50,000 into 1000, that is 25. Then ASTR for 40 to 59 is 1050 upon 30,000 into 1000, that is 35. So like this we have calculated ASTR values. Just observe the solution. CDR formula substitution answer. ASTR formula should be there. Then STTR formula substitution and answer. So just it is for reference purpose. You can calculate these directly. Thank you.